Hi everybody, welcome back. Today's video is going to be kind of a follow-up to my social anxiety video that I posted, like one of my very first videos that I posted, which was just kind of a social anxiety story about me being in the grocery store. I used to have really bad anxiety when I went to the grocery store because I kind of felt like, because I'm not the best cook and I didn't back then know what I was doing in the grocery store really. And I don't like to walk around aimlessly. I just kind of felt like everything was kind of closing in on me and people were staring even though they weren't. I have been getting a lot of questions actually about how YouTube is affecting my social anxiety. So I just wanted to kind of discuss it. To be honest, doing YouTube has helped me. I feel safe behind the camera. I'm alone in this room, so I don't really have to interact with anybody except the camera. If I'm doing a panel or if I'm doing a seminar or something, I do get a little bit more anxious at that point and then I just kind of work on my meditation and I center myself to be able to do those things. But I am still very socially awkward in very public settings. I don't really like to be around a lot of people. It gives me anxiety, especially in a group of people that I don't know, which is kind of hard being a new mom because you want to get out and you want to socialize with other moms and you want to kind of get into your community and do things, because while I love my daughter and while I love being a mom, sometimes you just need that social interaction with another adult. I've been kind of forced to get out of my comfort zone for a minute, but I know my limits and I know when it's time to go and I know when it's time to just be with my daughter or at night by myself. But in regards to YouTube, I started my channel because I really wanted an outlet to be creative. For those of you that don't know, I am an actress. And where I was living in Orlando, I wasn't getting the work that I really wanted to get, and I wasn't getting the auditions that I really wanted to get. So I needed to have this creative outlet. So I started my YouTube channel because here I can create content and people can watch it or people cannot watch it, but I can at least get it out, because even though I am an introvert, I still am creative and I still want to do things that are maybe out of my comfort zone. So YouTube allows me to do that. I hope I'm making sense. So to recap, YouTube has helped me. I still suffer with social anxiety. For example, I went to a celebration of life party with my husband a few years ago, and there was a lot of people there that I didn't know and some that I did know, but I kind of felt like I needed to sit by myself and retreat. So I kind of just went off into a corner and just kept to myself. And I don't like to feel that way. But again, with meditation and just kind of calming myself and centering myself, I am able to kind of get through it, if you know what I'm saying. I know social anxiety is a very serious thing. I know a lot of people suffer with it. And because I've been asked about my social anxiety, I wanted to make this video for you. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more. I will see you in my next one. Bye.